Here we go. We have a question, job scheduling. So this is a classic greedy question. We have a set of jobs. There are n jobs where job I has a deadline and a profit associated with it. Each job takes one unit of time to complete, and only one job can be scheduled at a time. We earn the profit associated with the job if and only if job is completed by its deadline. So this is important, and we have to find the maximum profit. This is a job array. We have given a job array, and we have in this id, deadline, and profit. As you can see, job is a class and there are three attributes: id, profit, and deadline. So deadline of the job is the time on or before which job needs to be completed to earn the profit. So this is a question, and there are four jobs. So if you complete this job, so its deadline is 4, we can complete this job, and its deadline is 1, so we will complete this job. So there are job 1 and job 3 is the answer, which will produce maximum profit. So the maximum is 60, and we have to return an array. Its first index the count of jobs, and the next value will be the maximum profit. So let's build the approach. So I have taken the same example. We have four jobs, and here are its data, and we want to produce maximum profit. This is the main thing. We want to produce maximum profit. So we will sort this array according to maximum profit. So we have this. So as you can see, maximum profit is 40. So first we have this value, then this value, then this value, and then this value. Okay, this is the first step. Our next step is to complete the job on or before its deadline. So we can complete the job on any day, before or on the deadline day. So what is the deadline constraints? If you look at it, the deadline constraint is the n. So we can build an array. So this is our array. The size is 4. So the deadline value is also between 1 and 4. So here are the values 1 and 4. So we will build n plus 1 array. So we can access nth day. Okay. And it's a boolean array. Initially all values are false. False means we have not used this day slot. So initially we have not used any day. So we have first value. This is our value. So we can complete this job on first day or till deadline day. So just check. Can we complete the job on the last day? If it is, so we will complete on the last day. If we cannot complete on the last day, then we check the second last day and then third last day. So that's how we will check it. And one more thing, we have answer array which you have to return. Its initial value is 0 and 0. It is the number of jobs and it is the maximum profit. So we have first this value. This will produce maximum profit. So we will complete it on last day. So just check, can we complete this on this last day, which is the deadline day? Yes, this slot is empty, so we will complete it. So we have used this slot, so now it is filled, and we have used one value, job is 1, and we have taken its profit is 0, 40. Next we have this index. So can we complete this job on the last day? Just check, is the last day empty? The slot is empty. Yes, the slot is empty, so we will complete the job on the last day. So mark the last slot. We have used this slot and we have completed one job. So the number of job is 2 and profit is 60. Okay. Next we have this value. So its a deadline day is 1. Can we complete this on the last day? Last day is already filled, so we cannot complete it. Just to check, the second last day is not acceptable, so we will break out. Next we have this, can we complete this job on the last day? So the deadline is 2, so the slot is empty, so we will complete this job. So we have this, the deadline slot is empty, so we will complete this job on this deadline, and we have utilized it. So just increment your job number and your profit. So we have taken one more profit, 61. Here the answer is 61, but on the sample test case the answer is 60. Why? Because I have made some modification. If you closely observe, this value, id is 2, deadline 2 and profit 1. Here id 2, deadline 1 means we have to do on the first day itself, but first day is booked already. So uh, so there is a slight modification. So the answer is 3 and 61. Now you got the idea. So let's code this. First we will sort according to profit in the descending order, because we want maximum profit. Next slot array, we have n plus 1 array. Then answer. Next we iterate in the jobs and check from the deadline day, then second last day, then third last day till 1. Just to check if the slot is false. If the slot is false, the slot is empty, then we will utilize this slot and do the current job on this day. So we have uh, utilized this slot. The slot value is true now, and on first index take we have to add the profit, and on the 0th index we have to uh, increment the number of jobs. Now we have uh, done this jth job, so just to break out, we don't have to iterate on all these days. We have done the job on the ith day, so just break out. Next we have to return this answer. So this solution will work fine. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you all for watching.